In today's video, I want to show you how to turn on Wi-Fi on your iPhone. To turn on and connect to Wi-Fi on your iPhone, this is the steps you have to take. The first thing I want you to do, I want you to go to your settings on your iPhone. So once you get to the settings on your iPhone, if you scroll down a little bit and you check the middle over here, we have where they wrote Wi-Fi. So I want you to tap on that Wi-Fi. So once you tap on that Wi-Fi, as you can see, Wi-Fi is turned off. So I want you to tap on it to turn it on. So once you tap on it, it will turn green, which means Wi-Fi, your phone is now open to join any Wi-Fi network. So, and I want you to do some settings here. If you check under where we have ask to join networks, tap on it, make sure you select notify. So go back again. So under it again, we have auto join or hotspot, tap on it. So make sure you make sure you select ask to join. So once you select ask to join, go back. So as you can see, it will load up all the Wi-Fi network that you have turned on. So once it brings out all the Wi-Fi you have that are on, once it brings them up, just want to tap on the Wi-Fi name. So once you tap on it, as you can see, we have this Wi-Fi being turned on, Smart Life 5056E0. So once you tap on the Wi-Fi, it will unable to join network. So once you tap on it, put in the password of the Wi-Fi, the Wi-Fi will be connected successfully. So guys, this is how you can actually turn on and connect your iPhone to Wi-Fi network. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.